Class 10 Maths Chapter 3 Pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise number 3.4 with explanation. We are going to use elimination and substitution method to solve the linear equation. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. Elimination method is nothing, removing one variable. We eliminate one variable first to get a linear equation in one variable. Let us take the equation x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Using elimination method, we can solve these two equations. Multiplying equation number 1 by 2. First equation you have to multiply by these two. Coefficient of x in the equation number 2. This you have to multiply with the equation number 1. So the equation will become 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and first equation write as it is, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 3. 3 here it is given, 2 we are going to subtract. So when you subtract 2x, here it will become minus, here minus will become plus, here the plus will become minus. So 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. So 2y plus 3y will become 5y. The right hand side 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So 5y is equal to 6. So we want the value of y. So you can bring 5 down. So 6 by 5. Y value we got. Putting the value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 we have x plus y is equal to 5. There you just put the value of y. So 5 minus 6 by 5 you will get 19 by 5. So x is 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. The same equation we are going to solve using substitution method. Again we write first equation x plus y is equal to 5. This equation we can write in term of x. X is equal to, bring y right hand side, it will become minus y. So x is equal to 5 minus y. Say this is equation number 4. Now putting the value of x in equation number 2. Here is the equation number 2. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Instead of x we put the value 5 minus y. So the equation will become 2 into 5 minus y minus 3y is equal to 4. Now you simplify, 5 2s are 10, minus y is the 2 into minus y minus 2y, already minus 3y we have in the equation is equal to 4. Now you simplify, it will become minus 2y minus 3y will become minus 5y. Bring 10 to the right hand side, it will become minus 10. So 4 minus 10 will become minus 6. So y is equal to, bring minus 5 down, minus minus cancel. So it will become 6 by 5. Putting the value y in equation number 4. What we have in equation number 4, just we are going to put the value y. So the equation will become x is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. So by taking LCM you will get x value is equal to 19 by 5. So we got x is equal to 19 by 5, y is equal to 6 by 5. Again the same answer. Question number 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. These two equations we are going to solve using elimination method. So first you write first equation number 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, say 1. Then 2x minus 2y is equal to 2, say equation number 2. These two equations we are going to solve. First equation number 2 by 2. You have to multiply by 2. Equation number 2. Multiply by 2, you will get 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Now write the equation number 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now you see the terms, here also minus 4y, here plus 4y. So when you add these two equations, the y you can cut it. So remaining 4x here plus 3x is equal to 7x is equal to 14. So x value we want, so 14 divided by this 7, it will become 2. Putting in equation number 1, the value we get 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, that is equation number 1. There we are going to put the value. So x is equal to 2, so 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10, 3 2s are 6, so 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Bring 6 to the right hand side, so it will become minus 6, so 10 minus 6 equal to 4, 4y is equal to 4, so y is equal to 1. So hence we get the answer x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Here we use the elimination method. The same question we are going to use substitution method to solve the equation. Let us take the first equation as it is, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now I am going to write first equation in term of y. So 4y is equal to, bring 3x to the right hand side, it will become minus 3x. So from 4y you can write y is equal to, so this 4 will come to the denominator, so by 4. Putting this value in equation number 2, we get 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So put the value y, instead of y you put 10 minus 3x divided by 4. So after this equation you just to multiply by 4, we get 4 2s are 8x, and here also we multiply by 4, this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, so 2 into 10 minus 3x is equal to 4 2s are right hand side, if you multiply you will get 8. So again simplifying, 8x minus 2 into 10 minus 20, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6x is equal to 8. Now like terms you can add, these two are like terms, 8x plus 6x will become 14x, minus 10 you can bring to the, minus 20 you can bring to the right hand side, it will become plus 20, so 20 plus 8 make 28. So 14x is equal to 28, therefore x is equal to 2. So y is equal to 10 minus 3x by 4, so y is equal to 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Even we are getting the same answer in substitution method also. Question number 3, the same question we are going to divide, going to solve the question using elimination method and substitution method. First we will solve the equation using elimination method. Write equation number 1, 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. Bring 4 to the right hand side, it will become minus 4 will become plus 4. This is, we can say the equation number 1, 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. Similarly second equation we can write 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So 9x, this 2y bring to the left hand side, it will become minus 2y is equal to 7. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. These two equations we are going to solve it. Multiplying equation number 1 by 3. Equation number 1 multiplied by 3, we get 9x minus 15y is equal to 11. Now 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Take the equation number 2. Now subtracting 2 from 3, so 3 minus equation number 2. When you subtract this, 9x minus 9x will get cancelled, this minus will become plus, so 15y plus 2y will make minus 13y, which is equal to right hand side, 11 minus 7 is equal to 5. So y is equal to, bring down this 13, so minus 5 by 13. Putting the value y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation number 1. Instead of y you put minus 5 by 13. So you will get 3x minus 5 of minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. Here denominator is 13, so you multiply by 13 we get, because when you multiply by 13, 13 and 13 will get cancelled. Here 13 into 3 will become 39x, and minus 5, this 13 will get cancelled, minus 5 into minus 5, 25 is equal to right hand side 4 into this 2 multiplied by 4 13s are 52. So 39x is equal to 27. Therefore x is equal to 27 by 39. You can simplify the numerator and denominator by 3 divided by 3. So 27 divided by 3 will become 9 and 39 divided by 3 will become 13. So 9 by 13, the value of x. The y is equal to minus 5 by 13. This method is called elimination method. The same equation we are going to use substitution method to solve the equation. Take the equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Write the equation in term of x. So 3x is equal to, bring minus 5 to the right hand side, it will become plus 5y. So x is equal to, bring this 3 to the denominator. So 4 plus 5y whole divided by 3. Putting this value of x in equation number 2, we get equation number 2 is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. In this equation, instead of x, we are going to put 4 plus 5y whole divided by 3. So minus 2y is equal to 7. Solve it. When you solve, you will get 3 into 4 plus 5y minus 2y is equal to 7. Multiply. Open the bracket. 3 4s are 12 and 3 into 5 15y minus 2y. 15y minus 2y will become 13y. Bring this 12 to the right hand side, it will become minus 12. So 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. So y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Substitute this value in equation number 1 to get x value. So equation number 1, we put instead of x, y, we must put minus 5 by 13. So minus 5 by 13 you put in term of y. So the equation will become x is equal to 4 minus 25 by 13, because 5 into minus 5 will become minus 25 by 13. Simplifying, you will get this second step. Then 4 LCM, you can take LCM. 13 is LCM, so 13. 4 into 13 minus 25. So 4 13 multiply minus 25, you will get 27. Here 13 by 13 by 3. So 13 3s are 39. So 27 by 39 divided by 3, denominator also divided by 3. So the answer is 9 by 13. So x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Question number 4, the same way we can solve these two linear equation and get the value of x and y by using elimination method. So x by 2 plus 2 by y, 2y by, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1, equation number 1. X minus y by 3 is equal to 3, equation number 2. Multiplying equation number 1 by 2. If you multiply this equation by 2, this 2 will get cancel, so x will come. Second term, it will become 2y into 2, so it will become 4y whole divided by 3 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So equation number 3 you will get after multiplying 2. So x minus y by 3 is equal to 3, that is equation number 2. Subtracting equation number 2 from 3. So 3 minus 2. 3, equation number 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. You will get 5y by 3. So y, I want the value, so y is equal to, you can bring this 5 by 3 to the right hand side, it will become minus 15 by 5. After simplifying, 1 5 is 5, here 3 5s are 15, so the value is minus 3. Y is equal to minus 3. Putting this value in equation number 2, just to put equation number 2, the value y is equal to minus 3. So x minus y by 3 is equal to 3 is the equation. So instead of y you put minus 3. So minus into minus plus 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So it will become 1. X plus 1 is equal to 3. Bring 1 to the right hand side, it will become minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. The same equation we can simplify using the substitution method. Write the equation number 1, x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. I am going to write this equation in term of x. So x is equal to, bring minus y by 3 to the right hand side, it will become plus 1 y by 3. Putting this value in equation number 1 we get, instead of x you put 3 plus y by 3. This just is the substitute this one, whole divided by 2 is equal to 2y by 3 minus 1. Simplifying this one you will get 3 by 2 plus y by 6 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Multiplying the whole equation by 6 you will get 9 plus y plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Adding these two like terms, 4y plus y, 5y is equal to 9. You bring to the right hand side, it will become minus 9. So minus 9 minus 6 will make minus 15. So 5y is equal to minus 15. So y is equal to minus 15 divided by 5, it will become minus 3. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. Now question number 2 we will see, form the pair of linear equation in the following problems. Find their solution if they exist. If the solution exists, you can find the equation. Form the pair of linear equation in the following problem. Find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. Now question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and 1 to the from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. This is the first statement given. It becomes half if only 1 to the numerator. Add 1 to the numerator. What is the fraction we get? Now let us take the fraction b. Let the fraction be x by y. According to the statement or according to the problem, it is given 1 to the numerator. We are going to add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. That means x plus y, x plus 1 and divided by y minus 1. This is numerator, this is denominator. Numerator you have to add 1 and divided by denominator you have to subtract 1. The equation is equal to 1. It is given in the question. So by simplifying you will get x minus y is equal to minus 2. This equation if you simplify you will get the first equation. Now according to the sum, the second equation we can frame, because the second condition it is given 1 to the numerator. We have to add 1 to the numerator, add 1 to the denominator only. Numerator we are not going to add. So as per the sum, the equation will become x by y plus 1 is equal to, it is given half. So is equal to half. If you simplify you will get 2x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. From subtract equation number 1 from 2. That means 2 minus 1. From 2 to 1 we are going to subtract. When you subtract, y and minus y will get to cancel. So you will get x is equal to 3. So we got the value x is equal to 3. Putting this value in equation number 1. Instead of x, equation number 1 is what? X minus y is equal to x minus y is equal to minus 2. In this equation x is equal to, you put 3. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. So I want y only. So y you can bring to the right hand side, it will become plus y. So minus 2 when you bring to the left hand side, it will become minus plus 2. So 3 plus 2 will become 5. So y is equal to, you will get the value 5. So numerator 3 and denominator 5. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. So we got the equation, we got the fraction 3 by 5. Question number 2. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice means 3 times, as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu in this sum? Now let us consider the present age of Nuri x and present age of Sonu be y. According to the question, we can write, it is given x minus 5 is equal to 3 times, it is given 3 times as old as Sonu. So 3 times of y minus 5. So we can write x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. If you simplify this one, opening the bracket, you will get first equation, x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. According to the question, again it is given x plus 10y, because 10 years later means plus 10. So x plus 10y is equal to 2 into y plus 10. Simplifying, you will get the x minus 2y is equal to 10. This is the 2 equation. Question number first equation, second equation, we are going to subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So 2 minus 1. So when you subtract these two, x and x will get to cancel. This x and this x will get to cancel. So you will be getting minus 2y, here plus 3y. So y you will be getting, y is equal to, here it will become plus 10. So 20. 10 plus 10, 20. Y is equal to 20. Putting this value in equation number 1. First equation, you just substitute this value. You will get x minus 20 is equal to minus 10. Bring 60 to the right hand side. So it will become plus 60. So minus 10 plus 60 will become x is equal to 50. So the age of Nuri is 50 years and Sonu 20 years. Third sum. Sum of 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. There are 2-digit number. The 2-digit number, sum of 2-digit number is 9. Reversing the digit, you will get the order of the digit. 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit of the order of the digits. So let the unit digit, first unit digit means ones digit, here we can say tens digit. The tens digit of the number be x and y, that is unit digit is x and tens digit is y. Either ones, either tens, ones digit, either tens digit respectively. Then the number 10y plus x. Number after reversing. Reversing means this x will go to the place of y and y will come to the place of x. So you will get, reversing the digit as per the question, 10x plus y. According to the question, they have given x plus y is equal to 9. It is given, and 9 times of the equation 10y plus x, 10y plus x is equal to 2 times of 10x plus y. So 9 into 10 y plus x is equal to 2 into 10x plus y. Simplifying, open the bracket, after simplifying you will get 88y minus 11x is equal to 10. So divide the whole equation by 11, you will get, so 88 divided by 11 will become 8y. Here 11, if we divide 11 and this 11 will get cancelled, so minus x will come. So minus x plus 8y is equal to 0. Say equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. 1 and 2 we are going to add. When you add these two, x will get cancelled. Here this x and this x will get cancelled. You will get y only. 9y is equal to 9. Therefore y is equal to 1. The value of y is equal to 1. Putting this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is what? X plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 1. If you put y is equal to 1, so x plus 1 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 plus 1. It will become 10. Sorry, this 1 will come right side, it will become minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Hence the number 10y plus x is equal to 10 into the value of y is equal to 1 and value of x is equal to 8. So 10 into 1, 10 plus 8, 18. So the number is 18. Meena went to bank, withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes only. She wants the denomination of 50 and hundreds. Meena got totally 25 notes. Currency 25 notes she got. Find how many notes of 50 and how many notes of 100. Let the number of 50 rupees notes be x and 100 rupees notes be y. X and y we can keep it as. According to the sum, it is given 25 notes in all she got. So x and y together she got 25 notes. According to the sum we can write. So you multiply. So 50, how many notes of x is there? 50. So 50 into x, 50x, and y you should multiply by 100 because she received 100 rupees notes also. So 100 into y, 100y. Just you totally how much amount is he got? 2000. So you write 2000. Multiplying equation number 1 by 50. Why we should multiply the coefficient only? Coefficient of x in the equation number 2 you should multiply with the equation number 1. So the first equation will become 50x plus 50y is equal to 1250. Subtracting 3 from equation number 2 we get 50y is equal to 750. So y value is equal to just divide 750 divided by this 50, right? You will get the answer 15. Putting this value in equation number we get x is equal to 10. So Meena has 10 notes of 50 rupees and 15 notes of 100 rupees. Totally how many notes she got? 15 plus 10, 25. As per the question, she got 25 notes in all. A lending library, question number 5. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the books she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra days. Let the fixed charge for the first 3 days and each day thereafter be rupees x and rupees y respectively. According to the sum, it is given in the sum 27 rupees, x plus 4y is equal to 27 rupees. So x plus 2y as per the question, x plus 2y is equal to 21. These two equation we are getting because for the 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. So x plus 2y is equal to 21. Subtracting 2 from equation number 1. So 2 minus 1. So x will get cancel. Here you will get 2y is equal to right hand 6. So if you divide y is equal to, you will get 3. Putting this value in equation number 1. So x plus 12 is equal to 27. So x is equal to, bring 12 to the right hand side, it will become minus 12. So x is equal to 15. So the fixed charge rupees 15 and per day charge per day is rupees 3. This is extra charge. Thank you.